We're back at Maple Counter Cafe in Walla Walla. Incredible food paired with decor that makes you feel like you're at Grandma's house makes this a popular spot for anyone who's ready for a good meal.
I would say that this is just a great place where families could come. I could bring my children here.
Anytime anyone talks about breakfast in Walla Walla, this place is always mentioned on the list.
Owner Corey Nagler has taken the bounty of fresh, Washington-grown food from the area and combined it with family tradition to make a place that guests will remember.
I come from a family that's in the restaurant business. My parents have a restaurant running in Sequim, and my grandparents had a restaurant before them in the Chicago area.
Wow.
So we share a lot of recipes. Some of them come all the way from my grandma, from the 70s.
Gosh,
so
I love that.
Yeah.
It's like home cooking, but better than Mom could even do.
They make you feel really welcome, but the food is absolutely delicious. And it's ginormous.
It was delicious.
Our apple pancake is very large. It's over 3 inches tall and close to maybe 11 inches in diameter.
Wow.
Comes out of the oven, we actually ring a bell when we serve it, and then our blueberry cobbler French toast is probably one of the most popular items that we have.
What are we gonna make today?
I'm gonna make our blueberry cobbler French toast.
I was hoping you'd say that.
Oh, it's gonna be
That
fun.
sounds amazing.
Well, I can't wait to do it.
Okay.
This is sort of a hybrid of what I'd say is a cobbler crumble crisp.
Yum.
All those aspects in one. And since it's served fresh in the form of French toast, it's very similar to eating cobbler fresh out of the oven.
Okay, yeah, you have my heart. You have my heart. Well, I can help you.
Let's do it,
But
okay.
I'm a two-handed cracker. I'll try it one-handed, but I don't know if
Give it a shot.
Oh, I did it!
Perfect.
And no shell.
Exactly.
We add some heavy cream, vanilla extract, and fresh ground nutmeg, and then whisk it up.
Pour some over here, and we're just gonna wanna make sure that that bread is totally covered. I like to bring a little tail of the batter in there. It kind of gives it this homemade look.
Yeah.
For a restaurant, that's important. Is important.
When does this come in?
So this is a critical point right here. So we're gonna put some of this now on the top.
Quickly flip.
There you go.
There we go.
Get a little help
Sounds
with the
good,
hand
yeah.
there. We're gonna serve
look at
that,
that looks
facing
so
up.
good.
Nice caramelization there. We're gonna do what would be a half-size French toast. At the restaurant, it's gonna be a little larger portion because we're all American, restaurant. The critical ingredient here, the blueberries. You can use as many or as little. I recommend many.
Many. I like how we're showcasing the fresh blueberries with this. I mean, they're just so delicious.
This is blueberry compote. It's made with just fresh berries and sugar, and you just cook them down.
Just cook it down.
Try and get a
look at
nice,
how pretty that is.
pretty color.
Love it. This is my favorite part
This
with
is the
French
best part.
toast at home too.
It's
I
so
get to
good.
do the
It's not French toast without it, in my opinion.
powdered sugar. Okay,
I
so
agree.
just over the top.
Yep.
I say
I think
that's pretty
perfect.
good.
Finish it off, and I really like to do this last because it's the most visible if you put it on after. The,
That's beautiful.
Gonna be a messy bite. All right.
Yeah, right?
Let's go for it.
This tastes like a lazy Sunday morning.
Really, this is sort of a melding of three desserts: a cobbler, a crisp, and a crumble. Since it's French toast, you have this really fresh, warm bread aspect. Every time you make it, you get a fresh out of the oven experience. It's all about the blueberries
All about
today.
the blueberries. This is delicious. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it.
To get the recipe for Maple Counter Cafe's Blueberry Cobbler French Toast, visit us at wagrown.com.